This is a 2009 Lexus RX350 Key Fob, and I'm going to replace the Key Fob battery. It's a Phillips head. So unscrew a little bit more, and then gently drag. Should come off like so. And here this particular model has a tab like this. You can open, take it off, and there is the CR1616 battery, Panasonic. It's off. I have a Duracell 1616 battery. This is more difficult than. Okay, be back. Put the new battery in, push it in place, and this hooks like so, and press it in. Make sure to test it. See the light right here. I can see. I hope you can see that. And then the cover, the rear cover, back on. You can also use a mini flathead screwdriver to put it back, or even remove it. That's it. You're done. Test it once more. There we go.